All right, so this gray background's okay, but let's add a better one. So I grew up in the 80s, and this was the awesomest background to have. So I'm going to choose the lasers background to make this feel like it is a school photo. Go back to our project here. We want to have this all the way down here above this background, so we're going to hit Command V. I can hit Command T to transform. If I hold down Option, everything will kind of zoom out at the same point. There we go. That adds a lot more context. I like that a lot better. It really feels like we're at a very bizarre high school, and this is a really bizarre teacher. All right, this is looking good. I think that's about it. The last thing you want to do, Command S to save, and making sure we go through and kind of clean this up. So lasers background. We don't need this background anymore, so we'll delete this. Keep these just in case. Like I said, there's always a chance that that laser background. Let me just bring it up just a little bit. There we go. There's always a chance that people might want to change things. And remember, what's really nice about this, now that we have everything saved, we'll call this skin tone just to people know, and then this is skin texture, and that's shading. There we go. So what's really nice is we can actually go back to the original image that we had, right? So if we take away the background, we take away the skin tone, we take away the shading, take away that texture, the antennae, the brow fix, the bald head, the mouth, which I'm sure you're all very happy to see go away, the neck fix, which doesn't do much, but it's just something nice, that jaw, finally the big eyes and the eyes there. There we go. And we can always kind of build this up as well, right? Big eyes, jaw, net fix, mouth, actually bringing the red eyes in, the shading, the texture, the antennae, the lasers, the skin tone, and brow fixed and bald head, also very important. You can kind of build this and just kind of go through and change things as you'd like. So you have a lot of options to keep playing with it if you want. But I think for this, we're done, and it looks really good. So happy creature creating.